12 cruise ship foods you should think twice about. Some aren't worth the risk. There is no lack of food on a cruise ship. In fact, it's everywhere around the clock, but there are certain things that are best to avoid. Go to the buffet when it first opens, fresher food and less handling. Choose busy stations with high turnover. Watch for foods that look dry, warm, or have crust forming. Wash hands before eating, especially after touching buffet utensils. Don't skip meals just because you're alone. Dining rooms often provide a better experience than eating alone at a buffet. Stay safe and happy dining.